Good morning, students. Today the class, yesterday the worksheet is all are completed. Okay. Today the discuss the worksheet. Okay. Then the lesson number geography lesson number 1. The universe and the solar system. Universe and a solar system. Worksheet. First Roman filling the blanks. First Roman filling the blanks. Okay. Das is the smallest and closest planet in the sun to the sun. Das is the smallest and closest planet to the sun. Okay, it is the answer is Mercury. Answer is Mercury. Okay, das has no dash satellites. Okay, it has no dash satellites. Okay, natural satellite. Answer is natural satellites. Okay, answer is natural satellite. Venus is the dash planet from the sun. Venus is the dash planet from the sun. Okay, it is the hottest planet from the sun. Okay, Venus is the hottest planet from the sun. Okay, the fourth one, Earth is called a dash and dash planet. Earth is called a dash and a dash planet. Say the answer. Earth is 71% full of water, then 29% full of the land. Then water, the Earth is a watery planet, then blue planet. Okay, are you clear now? Yes. Okay, watery planet. Watery and a blue planet. Blue planet, watery and a blue planet. Okay, Earth is called a watery and a blue planet. Okay, are you clear now? Then Earth is the only planet known as dash life. Earth is the only planet known to dash life. What answer? Very good. Support life. Support life. Okay. The first Roman filling the blanks. Mercury is the Mercury. Say the spelling M-E-R-C-U-R-Y. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the sun. Okay. The second one, it has no natural satellites. Natural N-A-T-U-R-A-L. Natural satellites. Okay. Venus is the dash planet from the sun. Dash planet from the sun. Hottest. H-O-T-T-E-S-T. Hottest. Okay. Venus is the hottest planet from the sun. From the sun. Okay. Earth is called a watery. W-A-T-E-R-Y. Watery and a blue. B-L-U-E. Blue planet. Okay. Are you clear now? Then Earth is the only planet known to support life. Support life. Support. Say the spelling S-U-P-P-O-R-T. Okay. The support life. Support life. Okay. Then Earth is the only planet known to support life. Support life. Okay. The second Roman, true or false. The second Roman, true or false. Okay. The last 4 planets are called as outer planet. Outer planet. Answer is true. Answer is true. Okay. The last 4 planets are called as the outer planet. Answer is true. Then second one, Mars is the second planet. Mars is the Mercury, Venus, Earth. Then Mars is the 4th planet. Then the question is the Mars is the second planet. Answer is, say the answer. Yes, very good. Answer is false. Answer is false. Okay, are you clear now? Then the largest planet, Jupiter in solar system. the largest planet Jupiter in solar system? Answer is yes, the correct answer. Answer is true. Answer is true. Okay. Then the second Roman true or false. The last 4 planets are called as the outer planet. Okay, outer planet. Answer is true. Answer is true. Mars is the second planet. Mars is the second planet. Answer is false. Answer is false. Okay. The largest planet Jupiter in solar system. Jupiter in solar system. Answer is true. Answer is true. Okay. Then the next question. Then fourth question, true or false? Fourth one, Uranus has 20. The fourth question, the Uranus has 27 natural satellites. Natural satellites. Natural satellites of which titanium is the largest. Answer is true. Answer is true. Okay. Then the third Roman, answer the following. Answer the following. Answer the following. Answer the following. Okay, the first question, distinguish between inner planet and a outer planet. Okay, then inner planet, outer planet. Inner planet and a outer planet. Okay, the first point Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. It is the inner planet. The first point. Then the first point, the outer planet. This is the largest planet. It is a big planet. Okay, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and a Neptune. Okay, the second point. Okay, the second point. They are comparatively smaller in size. Smaller in size. Okay, they are the comparatively smaller in size. Okay, they are huge in size. Huge in size. Okay, the third point. The third point. They are composed. They are composed of rocks. They the surface of the inner planet surface of the inner planets has mountains volcanoes and craters. Volcanoes and craters. Okay. The outer planet, most of them are made of gas. Okay. Then the third Roman answer the following. The distinguish between inner planet and outer planet. Inner planet and outer planet. Okay. Inner planet, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. It is an inner planet. Okay. Outer planet, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. It is the outer planet. The second point, they are the comparatively smaller in size. Comparatively smaller in size. They are the huge in size. Okay, they are huge in size. Okay, the next one, they are composed of rock. The surface of the inner planet. The surface of the inner planet has mountains, volcanoes, and craters. Okay, they are composed of rocks. The surface of the earth of the inner planets okay, has mountains, volcanoes and craters. Okay, then the outer planet, most of them are made up of full of gas. Okay, are you clear now? Then today the topic is the lesson the universe and solar system. Okay, universe and solar system. The yesterday class is the explanation in the solar system, the 8 planets. Okay, 8 planets. Okay, today the topic is the continuity in the dwarf planet. Okay, what is mean by the dwarf planet? It is a smaller, very smaller planet. It is a dwarf planet. Is the name of the dwarf planet. Okay, it is the small planet, very small, tiny. It is the tiny planet. Okay, for example, it is the Pluto planet. Okay, Pluto planet. Okay, it is it is the Neptune, the Jupiter, the 8 planets: Mars, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. It is the 8 planet. Okay, it is around in the orbit. It is anti-clockwise. Okay, anti-clockwise. It is the clockwise means it is the clockwise means the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The clockwise. The anti-clockwise means the opposite side in the reversing round circling in the opposite side. It is the anti-clockwise. Okay, anti-clockwise. Okay, it is it is the Neptune. It is for example for the Neptune planet. Okay, it is the tiny. It is the small planet, the dwarf planet. Okay, the Pluto, Ceres, Eris and the Mac. They have it is the smaller planet. Okay, it is a dwarf planet. Okay, then that is the Neptune planet. Then otherwise in the planet name is the Pluto. It is the circling in the Pluto. The planet is the Neptune. It is the covered in the. Then it is the you see the planet in the Pluto. Yes or no? No. Okay, it is the full of close in the covering the Neptune planet. Okay, otherwise in the circling it is a blue planet. See there. Don't see the Pluto. Okay, are you clear now? It is the dwarf planet. Okay, are you clear now? It is the dwarf planet. Then the next one, it is a dwarf planet. It is the small celestial bodies. Okay, then cannot see the smaller planet in the dwarf planet. Okay, it is a small celestial body in the dwarf planet. Okay, dwarf planet means it is Pluto, Ceres, and Eris, and Mac, and Mac, then Haumea. Okay, it is Haumea. It is the dwarf planet. Okay, Pluto, Ceres, and Eris, Mac, and Haumea. Okay, it is the planet. It is the dwarf planet. Okay, the dwarf Pluto is the most well known as the dwarf planet. Okay, it is the dwarf planet. Then the discovery in the planet. Okay, it is the discovery in the planet. Discovery in the planet is 1930. Okay, 1930 discovery in the planet in the 1930. It until 2006. Okay, 2006. Okay, are you clear now? Dwarf planet is the small celestial body. Okay, it is the dwarf planet. Name the dwarf planet. Okay, Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Mac, and Haumea. Okay, this is the dwarf planet. It is the dwarf planet. It is a discovery in the planet 1930 and until the 2006 Okay, next one, it is the moon of the satellite. The Earth satellite. It is the satellites or the celestial bodies. Okay, celestial bodies. Okay, then on the Earth is only satellite. Earth is only satellites. Earth is only satellites. Okay, only satellites. Earth is only satellite. How many satellites in the 27 every day is there. The around us, Earth is once the around us, it is 27 days. Around us 27 days. Okay, are you clear now? It is the moon and the earth surface. Okay, it is a 20 earth is a only satellite. Then the around us in the earth is a around us how many days? It is a 27 days. 27 days. Okay, it is a map about the same the complete one of the rotation around one of the second one asteroid. Asteroid. What is meant by the asteroid? It is the small object. The small object move around the sun. Okay, it is the asteroid means it is a asteroid means it is Sirungol. Okay, Sirungol. Okay, asteroid means Sirungol. It is a small object. Small object. Okay, the small object map around the sun. Map around the sun. It is the small object around the sun. Okay, sun. Around the sun. Okay, it is a small object. It is around the sun. Okay. Okay, it is the rock. It is full of the made up of the asteroids is the made up of the rocky. Okay, rocks a metal. Okay, rocks and a metals. Okay, and other elements surface the even the contain of water. Contain of the water. Okay, at the asteroid. What is meant by the asteroid? A small object around as the sun. Around the sun. Okay, are you clear now? It is a made up of a rock and a metals and other elements is the full of the water and other elements in the full of the water. Okay, asteroid. Then next one the planetoid as the planetoids or the minor planet. Okay, are you clear now? It is the invention of the invention of the shape is the Piaggi. Okay, the next one it is the comets. Okay, it is the comets. Okay, what is mean by the comets? Okay, what is mean by the comets? Okay, it is the comets is the on object space that the look or the bright. It is the comets. The head of and the tail is a long. It is the comets. Okay, it is the comets ball nakshatram. Okay, the comets means the ball nakshatram. It is the tail is the long. The tail is the head and the tail is the long. Okay, it is the object bright star tail and that moves around the sun. Any planets all are there moves around only the sun. Center of the place in there. Okay, it is the solar system. It is the many of the planets. Okay, many of the asteroid comets. Okay, it is full of the around only the sun. Around the sun. Okay, the next one the meteors. What is the meteors? It is you are the see in the sky. It is the only the falling the stars. Okay, falling the stars. It is a shooting star. The other name is a shooting star. Other name is a shooting star. Other name is a shooting star. Okay. Then it is the meteors. Okay, it is the meteors. So an object is a space and the meteors is the stone like the metallic body. It is a metallic. It is the meteors is the metallic body. Okay, they are small pieces of rock etc. in the space of the when the meteors the enter in the falling the sky. Okay, falling the sky. It is a shooting star. Otherwise, its name is the shooting star. Okay, it is the next one. It is the motion of the earth. Motion of the earth. Motion of the earth. What is meant by the motion? Rotation and revolution. Rotation and a revolution. Rotation and revolution. Motion. What is the motion of the earth? Motions of the earth. Okay. Then the Motion of the earth, rotation and revolution. Rotation and revolution. Okay, rotation, it is the spinning movement. It is the spinning movement of the earth, the own axis. It is a rotation. What is mean that? It is a rotation. It is your own axis. It is a rotation. A revolution. What is mean by the revolution? It is the sun. It is around the rotation. It is a changes in the sun. It is a day and night. Day and night. Okay, it is around as the rotation. It is a year. It is the surrounded in the own axis. Then it is changes in the day and night. The cash of day and night. Okay, the revolution. How many days it is? The 24. Okay, in the 24th hours. Okay, the rotation. Revolution. Then 365. Okay, days in the revolution. It is a changes in the long time period of the weather condition. Okay, it is the weather condition. It is the 4 columns. Okay, it is the starting in the movement in the satellite elliptical both. The earth is here 365 and 1/4 and 1/4 in the days. Okay, then the next one, it is the revolution. It is a complete the revolution. And how many kilometers it is? The 30 kilometers per second. Okay. The how many kilometers? The 30 kilometers per second. Okay, are you clear now? It is then only the February years of this month is a leap year. Leap year. Okay, are you clear now? That rotation and revolution, the motions of the earth, 2 motions. Okay, rotation and revolution. The rotation in the changes cash of the day and night. Then revolution in the around us the sun. It is the 300 and how many hours in the 365 and 1/4. Okay, it is changes. It is the 4 columns. Okay, the rainy season, summer season, then the windy season and the cloud. Okay, it is here the 4 season changing the long term periods of time. It is here the day. Okay, weather condition and only the day. Okay, then the day and night. Day and night. Okay, the spheres of the earth. Next one, the spheres of the earth. Fourth one, spheres of the earth. Okay, spheres of the earth. Okay, it is the spheres of the earth. It is the earth, the most suitable plant support life. Okay, suitable planet in the support life. Okay, it is a dividing in the part of the. It is here the biosphere. The biosphere means many the water. Okay, many the water. Then the first one, lithosphere. Lithosphere. Then second one, hydrosphere. Then atmosphere. Atmosphere. Fourth one, biosphere. Fourth one, biosphere. It is here. Lithosphere means the land. Lithosphere means the land. How many percentage in the land? It is here 71% full of water. Full of water. Then 29% full of land. Full of land. Then the lithosphere means the land. Land means it is here the covering in the mountains, rock. It is the rivers. Only the ocean. It is full of covered by lithosphere. The great word is the lithos. Okay, the great word in the lithos. Okay, it is a land. It is a land covering in the land. Okay, the outer layer of the it is the soil. The outer layer of the earth. The outer layer of the earth. The considering full of the rock and soil. Full of the rock and soil. Rocks and soil. Okay, the lithosphere. The full of the lithosphere, the great word in the lithos, it is a land full of covering in the 71% of water, then 29% land. It is a full of the considering in the full of the rocks and rocks and soil. Okay, are you clear now? It is a lithosphere. The next one, hydrosphere. Hydro means water. Hydro means water, full of covering the water. How many percentage of full of cover of water? The 71% full of water. Then Earth is a watery planet, blue planet. Okay, it is called the watery planet and a blue planet. Okay, are you clear now? Then the hydrosphere, hydro means water. Full of hydro means full of the water. It is considered by the body of the ocean. Oceans, rivers, okay, rivers, then the lake, the water bodies, okay, these are the water bodies with the full of the hydrosphere, okay, the atmosphere, okay, the atmosphere, it is full of air, the surrounding full of the earth surrounding in the full of the air, it is the atmosphere, okay. Then the last one, the atmosphere, it means the great word is the atmosphere, it is air, okay. Then the different types of the gases from the atmosphere, different gases of the atmosphere, okay. The first one, the nitrogen, full of 71% of nitrogen. Then next one, oxygen, 28%. The other gases, okay, other gases in the including the nitrogen, 71% nitrogen. It is a draw on the earth. Then full of 71% of the 1% the nitrogen. Then next one, the 28% oxygen. Then only 1% in the other gases, only the other gases, okay. Then only the other gases like the carbon dioxide. Then hydrogen. Next one, helium. The next one, argon. The next one, it is the ozone and the planet, okay. The atmosphere, air. The great word air, atmosphere. It is the other gases like the full of the gases, okay. It is including in the 71% of the full of the nitrogen, okay. Gases full of the nitrogen. Oxygen 28%. Only 1% like the other gases, okay. Other gases, what is meant by the other gases? In the carbon dioxide, hydrogen, then helium, argon, okay. These are other gases including in the atmosphere, okay. Are you clear now? These are gases including the nitrogen, 71% of nitrogen. This is earth, 71% of nitrogen, 28% of the oxygen, then only 1% of the, this is the all are the 1%, okay, all of the gases in the 1%. Okay, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium, argon. Okay, it is here. The other gas is the only 1% in the atmosphere. Okay, are you clear now? It is the context of the distinct place of the and the animals life and the climate, the plant animal like the zones of known in the known in the earth of the planet. Okay, earth of the planet in the solar system. Okay, then recall the lesson for the first one in the universe. What is mean by the universe? It is all over the including in the stars, Milky Way galaxy, solar system. It is the universe. Galaxy, a group of the group of the stars is called the galaxy. Okay, galaxy, it is a tiny, it is the celestial bodies. Okay, in the solar system. How many solar system in the planet? How many planet in the solar system? 8 planets in the solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. It is the 8 planet. Okay, it is the Earth, the third planet. Earth is a living planet. Earth is a living planet. Okay, are you clear now? It is the inner planet, outer planet. Inner, it is the sun. The near the planets is the inner planet. Okay, inner planet Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, Mars. Okay, it is the inner planet. Outer planet. Okay, it is the planet only. It is the next one. It is the spheres of the earth. Spheres of the earth. It is a lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Okay, it is the biosphere is the full of the all in the then land plus water. Okay, land plus water. Okay, it is in plus including in the air. That is the then biosphere. Then biosphere. Okay, thank you students. See the next lesson.